Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to share your Canva design to multiple accounts on social media. So I'm using Canva Pro here. What you have to do, you create design, and then for instance, I will create a Instagram post square. Okay, on this video, I'm just do the blank design. What you have to do, you just design as your preferences, and then what you have to do, you click share on it, and then there is an option of share on social. Share on social, and for instance, I will demo to you the Instagram. You have to schedule post or immediate post. It's up to you. For me, I schedule post from desktop and continue. And then you connect the Instagram via Facebook. Also, you can do okay, I think only one option right now. You just connect Instagram business via Facebook, and then make sure you log on into your account, and then you do it one more time. This is the previous method I show you, and then later you will share the design not just for one account, but up to maybe 10 account, maybe more than two. I think more than two in instance. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Make sure you log on into one or more account on your Canva social share. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.